The PNI House AHD1250 kit can be controlled locally or remotely from mobile devices via the XMI-compatible Android and iOS app and from the PC through general CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our site on the product page, the download section. The PNI House AHD1250 kit contains a NVR recording unit and 4 AHD cameras that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Both NVR and cameras have metallic casing. The NVR in the AHD1250 supports the connection of both AHD 1080p chambers, IP cameras, and the simultaneous connection of analog plus IP cameras. You can connect multiple monitor types. The device is equipped with HDMI and VGA output. The video recordings stored on the HDD installed in the NVR can be downloaded locally to a USB stick via the USB 2.0 interface or remotely via the internet directly to a PC. The NVR can be connected to the internet via the RJ45 LAN port. The PNI House AHD1250 is compatible with Protocol XVI. It allows reproduction of high-quality image and its controls, brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. on each channel.